So now we are showing Facebook autopay boost method. So here we are. At first we add some payment method. So wait and see. So I use a good pin that we usually generate thousands of cards and just pick a good pin. Then we are in billing option. Then we go to the next page and we add the bin information in our billing section. So wait, I'm adding. Just adding the bin in the Facebook billing section. So wait few times. Then you got to save option and then wait to sometimes, and this is it. In the cases request not complete, then we try to save. So we are trying to save but not accept it. I am back and change the country. Now I use in Brazil country. The next then I use another card, another good pin card. I select it from here and just copy a good card. So here we paste card information, but remember you must have to find some good bin. Okay, this been added successfully, you can see, and now we just click done, and here is the information, and we add another card. So you can see I go to add accounts and then click add and create a new add account. So I simply select one name, any name, just S2 and 1, just send in business, select business and create. Just creating a business account, and then select here you can select all, just then click manage that account, then assign me and add another payment profile. So here we change the country. We just add a country that United States of America, then click next, and we another click next, and then we get back, and here we select business payment method, and then we send it next, then set its default. So card is adding. I am just waiting for make default card. I just default the card in the payment section, as you can see, but I'm not sure the card the bin information. This here we are. We just card this we added successfully, and as you can see, we just click done. So here we are. Just to refresh, I'm just refreshing. As you can see, card is active. As you can see, this is prepaid you can find it, and then as you can see it is active, account is active. So we just already Google Facebook then give me $2 threshold. We just go to ads manager. Here we are. Some misinformation. I'm just open a link, new link, maybe new tab we have need. So here we again, now you can create a campaign, because engagement capital we launched, we added a card, and then as you can see card is active, cards already added successfully, and we create a campaign. So now we are going to engagement campaign just for sure, and then click continue. Then we go to, as you know, how campaign was created successfully. So I just type all the information that my campaign is need. So just see and watch and enjoy. This is the Facebook autopay boost method that already working. Because sometimes cards need verify, but this type of bin no need to verify the card. So as you can see, I just added the 2-3 cards and a card already active, and we're just trying to make a campaign, and we're sure we want to give you live example to how we can run ads live. So stay with us and just select a $25 per day budget, and just checking. Okay, so now you can go to next option. So what type of promote I need? So I just try okay, just go, just wait and see. I just boost a Facebook page boost. As you can see, I have a Facebook page I created already and want to boost it, just to make sure that card is paying. So I'm just selecting a country. That country, just I'm living in Bangladesh, so just select Bangladesh. So here we are, select Bangladesh, and then drop down. Here's some, I will not change value. Okay, I'm just select 45. Okay, next, and select post that I want to promote. I'm selecting a post. Okay, now you go to remove the card, and here you can publish. So card was remove. I am now trying to remove and try to boost. So here we are. You see this page I am refreshing, and boost the page. So here we just refresh it, and with it not delivering option is open. I'm waiting for that. After that, we add so many card. If we add 7 or 8 card, we can make huge money. Maybe 1 or 4 or 3 card, maybe in balance. So I'm wait for this. So I'm just refreshing the yes, delivery error everywhere, and then we now add so many payment method. Just to wait and see how I am adding multiple payment method in my Facebook. Just wait and see what I'm doing. So as you can see, we have add so many card and so many payment method we add, and then uh, maybe 1 or 2 payment method already add and run processing it, already adding processing, and boost already active. Within a few times boost must be active. in this account. So stay with us, and here we are the proof Facebook autopay boost updated method, and in another video we can share how many likes, how many spend in this account. Thank you.